Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to calculate student pass or fail in subject using if condition in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is a student name and this is a student number in subject, and then you see criteria pass or fail. So we are going to calculate student is pass or not by using if condition. Now select cell, then write here equal, then write here if condition if. Now start bracket, now select student mark, now you see 14 number, now select, now you see C5, now add condition greater symbol or less symbol according to requirement. So we are going to add greater symbol and then add number 49. If student has number above 49 like 50, then student is pass, otherwise fail. So this is our criteria, logical test. Now add comma, now start inverted comma, now add pass, so this is our value. Now close inverted comma, now add comma again, now start inverted comma, now add fail, now close inverted comma, close bracket. If student has more than 49 number like 50, then pass, otherwise fail. Now press enter. Now you see student fail, number 40. So we set criteria 49, now select and then drag and drop like this. Now you see auto calculate, pass, above 49, fail, below 49, pass above 49, fail, below 49. So in this way you can calculate student pass or fail using if condition in Microsoft Excel. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.